Okay. So to draw the front view, we have to take a section and we have to draw with the imagination. So I will cut this part and I will start. So you have to cut this portion. So you will get this height of 10 mm. So you have to draw this height of 10 mm first. So before that, I will make this center line extended. So we are having the center line. So I will track the center line from this point to the this point. So this is horizontal center reference line from which we can start. So, so there will be a edge. So you will be able to see the edge. So this edge we have to draw first, and we will create a edge with outline. So from this point, the radius is 30. So we have to create it. Now this horizontal is 10, and we okay. No, horizontal distance is not known. So we have created this outer edge, and we have to create another edge at 20. So it may be extended. So Control Z. So we'll track the points from directly this side. First we will draw the front view and then we will cut the edges. Okay, so from this side you will be able to see this 35 mm distance, and outer diameter is given as 120. So we'll create the edges for it, this 120 and this 35 from outer, and this total distance. So we have created this 35 mm. So it will be easy for us. X is the point of view of observer. So whatever you draw is actually side view. X with arrow is point of view of observer. Yeah, X is the arrowhead for the front view. So I am drawing the front view now. Already I have drawn the side view, and it is left hand side view. So it is on the right side of the Y line. So now just I have created the rectangular block for this circular portion. It will looks like a rectangle cylindrical portion. Always we project in a rectangular portion. So we have to make this 30 mm. Outer diameter is 60, radius is 30. So we have to make this block of 30 mm. So I will select the line command now, and I will track this point. So I have to track it. It's quite difficult to track, but try to track it. And this is 30 mm distance. You can drag down for 60 mm, and the perpendicular point you have to connect. So we have created the this much distance also. Now we have to draw the edge. Okay, so this top edge we have to draw. It will be the up to the end point. So from the this point we have to create it up to the end. Below 30 we have already drawn, and from this sorry, Control C, and from this we have to connect this. So this will be the visible front view without hidden lines. Now we have to cut this portion, so we have to cut it, and it will be up to the 20 mm. We have to track this line below this point at 20 mm, and there will be the edge. Okay, so this edge we have to draw, and we will get this cutting point at this point and this last point, so there will be edge. Now there will be top edge of this, and we have to cut this portion as well, so we'll get the circular line of 20 mm throughout the whole of this object. Before that we have to create a edge inside the 15 mm from this outer edge, and below 5 mm. So we'll make it first from this corner. We have to start, and we have to come down by 5 mm. Just go inside 15 mm, drag down, just track it. You will get the cross section of this hidden circle. So you have to track the point. Sorry, I'm unable to get the tracking. So and end up to the point. So there will not be any portion in this part. So we have to trim the portion there. So it will be looks like this. Now there is 20 mm circular hole is there. So we will make it offset about the center line. So we have to use this line for the offset, and 20 mm is the distance, so 10 mm will be the radius above and below. So we'll make it correct by using grip method. So I have drawn the hole. So we have to edit this side also, because there is no portion, no part, so there will not be hole. So throughout hole is up to this, and we have to get it convert into the zero line, because after cutting you will get the edges of that hole. Right, so we have to remove this, because this will be a continuous portion. Right, so it will be a continuous portion here. Then after cutting we'll get continuous portion in this part as well. Sorry, we have to trim the portions which are continuous after cutting. There will not be any edge, it will be through hole. Okay, this portion will be, you got like this. After cutting this edges of circle you will get. Then we have to draw these holes. You will get two holes, this one and this one. So it will be at this position. So we have to draw the lines by tracking method. So I have to track this from the side view. So I will track the points. Track this one also. So I have drawn both the lines, similar lines I want on other side. So I have selected it, and I will get it mirror about the center line. So I have selected mirror and select the center line as a mirror line, and enter. So you can easily draw this line on other side also. There is no need to track this circle as well. So these are the hidden circles, and we do not show the hidden parts in the sectional orthographic. So there is no need to show the hidden parts. So I will hatch this front view. I'll select the hatch, select hatch, and generally we required uh, 45-degree inclination. So select the pick points, select the ANSI 3.1 default pattern, which is at 45-degree, and I'll select the cutted portions only, where the portions get cut, that I have to select. Then you can scale it. Suppose 10 is the scale, it is sufficient. 10, and close the hatch creation. Okay, so we have done with the hatching part as well. So this will be the sectional front view of the object that we have created. Uh, you have to switch off the construction layer, then you can see that properly. So this is the sectional front view of the given object in the given direction and along the given section plane. So we have done with the section and hatching. So we'll stop here, and